You Shonali or Sonali?
Okay, so you are here in Pune. What are you expecting for the Pune crowd?
I think Pune is the city of talent and beauty. I'm from Pune, so I know that we have a lot of fashion, talent, and beauty sense. So I'm looking forward to some amazing contest here, and I'm sure the competition will be really tough. Max Fashion Icon 2015 will be, very very exciting, and I'm so glad that I'm a part of this because Pune is my home, and coming back to Pune is always very very special. And something for this kind of an event is more special. So I think I'm very very excited.
Okay, what are the three things you look into in a model, when he walk on the or she walk on the land?
The first thing that I noticed is obviously confidence. Nothing can beat confidence. So yes, confidence, eyes, and I think the personal special aura that you bring in, your X factor. So these are the three things that I personally notice: confidence, eyes, and the X factor.
Any suggestion to the contestant who come with the mindset कि this is my first step to Bollywood?
I think I would just say just be yourself and believe in yourself. Passion and patience can bring in all the amount of reality into your dreams that's possible. So just trust yourself, believe in yourself, and be patient because nothing comes easy here.
Okay, this is something absolutely different. What Max is doing. What's your take or your view on that?
I think it's amazing with this kind of a brand in India. You can reach out to the youth, you can reach out to grassroots and find talent in every particular city. So I think this is amazing, and I'm really, really, proud and feeling a lot of pleasure in being a part of this kind of a contest, where you can actually go into each and every home city and find out the city talent, the local talent. So it's amazing, and I wish Max all the luck for this year's contest.